Welcome to Magento 2 Tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a simple product. Let's jump in. Step 1. Choose the product type. On the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, choose Products. On the Add Product menu at the upper right, select Simple Product. Now, move on Attribute Set. It is used as a template for the product. In this episode, we will set the default. Next, complete the required settings. Enter the product name. The default SKU that is based on the product name, or you could enter another. Choose the product price. With the basic settings, you would follow the steps below. Now, scroll down and complete the information in the following sections as needed. In the last step, if you are ready to publish the product in the catalog, set the Enable Product switch to Yes. And, in the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, select Products. Search for Minimalist T-shirt. Do the same way in the storefront product page. As you can see, the simple product has been created. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes.